Your main goal will be to build gigantic and powerful inventions such as weather machines, doomsday devices, and gigantic robotic spider monsters. Recreating life is another excellent choice as long as it results in an unstoppable menace. You may also want to attain a laboratory assistant, as they can be quite useful for throwing large switches and seeking out brains for the master. The next step is up to you. Some mad scientists try to rule the world, others to destroy it. Many delve into organized crime, using their inventions to rob Fort Knox or vaporize a favorite city. Oh, those are some good ideas. I'm going to have to write those down. Whatever you choose, you'll feel confident in your role as a superior being who knows what's best for the world. If that means replacing the human race with an army of robotic slaves, so be it. Hi. Yes, it's that day. It's the day when evil rules the world. And I'm Audrey. There's only one real experiment to work on today, and that is creating monsters! 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 Okay, let's get started. Oh, who knew that just a few items from the Dollar Tree could produce such hideous, horrible mutant monsters? Oh my goodness. Oh, look. No, they're not cute. I don't know where that rumor went around that I like cute things. It's totally not true. These are hideous. Don't you? I mean, don't you see how hideous they are? So, I'll tell you the latest here. Despite the efforts of Christine, I've been able to get in here and just look through all the stuff that she has in here. It's just amazing. And I was able to find some stuff that she got at Dollar Tree a long time ago. And I'm going to make a hideous mutant monster rug! Ah! Ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Take a look at this. Ooh! It's hideous. It's mutant. It's monster. It's so monstrous. Wait till Christine sees this.
Audrey? Oh boy, are you in big trouble now?
There she is again.
Audrey!
Well, happy Halloween, everybody, and I'll see you next year, or maybe even before that, depending.